Alrighty guys, we picked up an Amazon Basic 12 outlet surge strip protector, whatever. Okay, Amazon Basic, right? I think it was like 20 bucks. It's not bad. It's got an 8-foot cord. I had to keep that in mind when measuring things for this room. So, some of my tools I'm going to move them out of the way, and then go back in, at least until I get the electric done down here, which won't be until after a lot of the work's done and after it's framed. So, neat. Anyway, get that out of the box. And you're left with this nice, pretty bad boy. And that is pretty sweet looking, pretty nice looking. I like it. So we're going to go over there and we're going to get ready to hang it up on the wall temporarily. This room's not done, far from done, but we're just going to hang it up for now. And that way she's up there. So we can work on this room. Now, when you go to put this up, placement is key. So I got, I don't know, a 4-foot cord on the light, 8-foot cord on the power strip, and another 4-foot cord on the other light. So kind of have to have this kind of swerve in the middle of the room. And well, that's the middle of the room right here. I think. I didn't measure it. Because you know what? The room's not done yet, so I don't care. Anyway, to place it up, to hang it up on the wall, you got these holes right here, which a screw head will fit into the hole, and then it slides over, oopsie, to kind of lock it in. So you're going to want to measure those, or you can be like me and just say, yeah, we'll figure it out. All right, so I'm going to put them right here for now. Okay. Like I said, we got to finish this room. We got to do a lot of work to this room, so not overly concerned with its placement right now. Doesn't have to be exactly center. Doesn't have to be anything pretty. Doesn't have to be anything fantastic. So we're going to just go ahead and start our first screw here, and you want to leave that head out just enough to get over that plastic. So we'll check that to make sure she can get over that plastic. She does. And maybe an 1/8 inch, even 1/8 inch of room to move. Alright. So if you don't want to get your tape measure out, you don't want to do all that extra fancy stuff, you just hold it upside down there. Eyeball to the center, eyeball to the center. Helps if you got your screw in your hand, right? Use the screw head or the screw to mark where your hole is going to be. And I'm not even going to worry about getting it level. I just want it in. What did I have that on? Oh, I only had it on 16. That should be good. So we got the 2 screw heads in there. Time to make it pretty. Or at least see if we did it okay, right? So, light's over there, the plug's over there. That's why I'm putting this in. And so I want the cord on this side here. That way she can be closer to the plug in the light. We're just going to drop these, probably the bottom 2 holes. That way it's more out of the way. There we go. She's up in there. Now what we're going to do is slam her sideways. I'd put the other 2 in, but we're going to take her down anyway as soon as this room's done. Which, you know, at my pace, could be 5 or 6 years. Maybe 10. But that's how you install a, well, you know, yeah. I guess I should plug it in for you. Yeah, maybe. All right. Right. Let's take that out. Oh, I want to go over top of that. That's why I wanted it up high. Alright. Now this one can go right up here. We're going to hit the button to turn it on. You'll see she lights up green here. And that's kind of cool. And then we're going to fish our other cord up over, plug that in, and get the light back on. Now you're probably not going to see the green. But I did want everything to go up over the stud there. So, yay, it did. Alright. Looking pretty good. Now I just need to get the other light hung over here. And, yeah, I think we'll be okay.